question here on editing these icons. The yellow, you'd want to have black with a white star. So sometimes in these custom designed sections, there is custom CSS, and it's not just an element that we can click the pencil and edit ourselves. So we do have to get into the CSS code, but it's not as hard as you might think. So let's do it. On my page, I've got the same section that you have. Here it is. It's the timeline. If we click on the icon, you can see that we can change the icon color here. So we could change this to white right inside of, and let me just not make that transparent. Let me make that fully white. So we can do that part here. We can change the white star, but the yellow background isn't available to us here. So what we need to do is go to the section in the right hand side, the blue gear, and we're going to click on edit source code. Now here's all the CSS and all the code for the whole section. What we're going to do is you want to go down in here. We're going to look kind of carefully until you find the icon. So, see if I get to it. May have skipped the first one. Here we go. Okay, so this might not be the first one. I may have skipped one, but you can see here what I'm looking for is data component icon. And here's the style background color. And we can see this color code right here. Color codes are either going to be a hex code, which is a hashtag and then numbers and letters, or this RGB. So the RGB color here is going to be the inside of the icon, like the star, and this background color is what we aren't able to edit. I'm going to copy this and just open it up. If you're ever curious, like, am I in the right place? I'm just going to Google that color, and you can see it is that yellow. So now we know that that is the color that we want to replace. And then what I want to do is just get the color code for black. And it is all zeros. Okay, I'm going to copy that, go back in to where I have that highlighted, and paste. Okay, and then for this one, we can change it here, or we can change it in the icon itself. Either way is fine. So let's say we wanted to change it to white. White is all F's. I need to just take that little parentheses out. You do have to be careful to make sure you're replacing it exactly in the spot that it needs to go. Let's hit save, and now we can see that second icon has changed, or third. I skipped 2. But that's going to be how you do it. So click the gear on the right hand side, edit the source code, and then look for the icons. Let's see if we can do, here's the first one. So icon, background color, color. So color is going to be the white, and background color is going to be black. So let me put that in. That's 0000000. Let's click save. And now our first one should be changed as well. And you'll just do that for each of them. That's it.